Let's take a look at recent court filings by Khalil Cooke asking the court to dismiss the case due to jurisdiction. In the court filing, Khalil Cooke states there are at least 24 witnesses who reside in Mexico. These witnesses have important information regarding Shanquella Robinson's death as well as the defendant's actions prior to and after Ms. Robinson's death. So is Khalil Cooke trying to say the 24 or more Mexican witnesses were there when this happened? What made Khalil Cooke watch as his best friend was beaten to death by travel mate Daejhanae Jackson and do nothing? Can the 24 or more Mexican witnesses attest to your actions when this happened? Khalil Cooke and other travel mates in the early morning hours entered the room of Shanquella, ambushed her, pulled her out of bed naked, and surrounded her like a pack of wild animals. Can the 24 or more Mexican witnesses attest to Khalil's actions when he went to Shanquella's mother's house? Knowing Shanquella was murdered, he sat in the house of Shanquella's mother, pushing the alcohol poisoning story until the video was released. And like a coward, he disappeared, his lies exposed. Khalil Cooke, along with other travel mates, trained their cameras to record the brutal, unprovoked assault on Shanquella as she stood vulnerable in her nakedness. From 7:30 a.m. when the assault occurred to approximately 2:00 p.m. when medical personnel were finally called, can the 24 or more Mexican witnesses attest to what occurred during this time? The purpose of this video is to prove that Khalil Cooke has no merit in the request for a dismissal. The material witnesses the case refers to were all after the fact. None of the Mexican material witnesses were there at the time Shanquella was murdered, so they are unable to attest to the actions of Khalil Cooke. The motion to dismiss is very weak, as Khalil Cooke tries the same court tactics as other Cabo Six members, Donovan and Alysse Hyatt.